Hey, what is going on guys? Tech Enthusiast here, and this is a battery charge test between the Xiaomi Mi 8 against the OnePlus 6. So which of these phones will charge the fastest? Let's find out in this video. First is the Xiaomi Mi 8. It has a 3400 mAh battery. It comes with a 2-pin Qualcomm 3.0 fast charger, and you can see the voltage details on the left, and a white USB Type A to Type C cable. Then we have the OnePlus 6. It has a slightly smaller 3300 mAh battery. It comes with a proprietary dash charger, and you can see the voltage details on the right, and it comes with the red USB A to Type C cable. Both of the batteries are flat. I'm just going to power them on and check the charging percentage every 15 minutes or so. So after 15 minutes, the Mi 8 charged up to 23% and the OnePlus 6 has 27%, and that's a 4% lead. After half an hour, the Mi 8 has 49% and the OnePlus 6 has 56%, and that is a 7% lead. 45 minutes later, the Mi 8 has 71% and the OnePlus 6 has 81%. After 1 hour, the Mi 8 has 87% and the OnePlus 6 has 93%. Checking back after 10 more minutes, the Mi 8 has 92% and the OnePlus 6 has 97%. And another 5 minutes later, the Mi 8 has 94% and the OnePlus 6 has 99%. After 2 more minutes, the Mi 8 has 95% and the OnePlus 6 is still at 99%. Checking back after 1 minute to be sure, 96% on the Mi 8 and still 99% on the OnePlus 6. 1 more minute later, 96% on the Mi 8 and the OnePlus 6 has fully charged, which took 1 hour and 19 minutes. 6 minutes later, the Mi 8 has 97%. After 5 more minutes, 98% on the Mi 8. Checking back after 2 more minutes, 99% on the Mi 8, so it's slowly getting there. Another 2 more minutes later, and still 99%. 1 more minute later, and the Mi 8 has fully charged to 100%, and the total time for that was 1 hour and 35 minutes. So it is a 16% difference between the two. So that is the end of this battery charge test, and here are the timings at a glance. So the OnePlus 6 finished in at 1 hour and 19 minutes, however the Mi 8 was charged up to 96%, and that is still very respectable. Who knows, the charging speed might be faster on the Mi 8 as soon as the Qualcomm 4.0 chargers are available. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, then please do consider subscribing. Make sure to hit that bell notification so you get notified as soon as my videos are released. Do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch up with you in the next video.